This is the HP Omen 35L, and HP says it's the kind of gaming desktop that gives you high-end performance without the usual pre-built headaches. You know the ones: overheating, noisy fans, weird proprietary parts. But after spending real time digging into this thing, gaming on it, and comparing it to what else is out there, I realized there's one thing HP doesn't really highlight in the marketing, and that might be the biggest reason to buy it, or skip it. So, is this actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk. HP Omen 35L Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the HP Omen 35L, a mid to large tower gaming desktop from HP's Omen lineup, released in 2024, and it's aimed squarely at gamers and creators who want serious power without building a PC from scratch. The 35L refers to the case volume, which is actually important here because airflow and upgradability are big parts of the pitch. You can configure this with modern Intel or AMD CPUs, NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs, fast DDR5 memory, and NVMe storage. In short, this is HP trying to prove that a pre-built can feel like a custom PC, clean, powerful, and upgrade-friendly without the DIY stress. HP Omen 35L Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in real life? Here's the thing. The Omen 35L feels fast in a way that's immediately noticeable. Boot times are quick, apps snap open, and multitasking is basically effortless. I'm talking gaming on one monitor, Discord and Spotify running, maybe even a Chrome tab explosion, and it doesn't flinch. In games, especially at 1440p and even 4K depending on your GPU config, this thing is smooth. Frame rates are consistent, stutters are rare, and thermals stay surprisingly controlled. HP's cooling setup actually works, which is not something you can always say about pre-builts. Fans ramp up under load, sure, but they're not jet engine loud. For creators, video exports and 3D renders benefit from the strong CPU-GPU combo, and DDR5 memory helps with overall responsiveness. It's the kind of performance where you stop thinking about the PC and just focus on what you're doing, and that's honestly the best compliment I can give it. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features that actually matter. First up, airflow-focused 35L chassis. This larger case isn't just for looks, it allows for better thermal performance, which means your components can sustain higher speeds for longer. Translation, more consistent performance during long gaming sessions. Second, toolless standardized components. This is huge. HP uses mostly off-the-shelf parts here, so upgrading RAM, storage, or even the GPU later is way easier than older OEM systems. You're not locked into HP forever, and that's a big win. Third, Omen Gaming Hub. Normally I roll my eyes at pre-installed software, but this one's actually useful. You can monitor temps, tweak lighting, adjust performance modes, and even do light overclocking, all in one clean interface. And finally, modern I/O. Plenty of USB ports, fast Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, and easy front panel access. It's practical, not flashy, and that's exactly what most people want. Design and build. Aesthetically, HP really nailed the balance here. The Omen 35L looks clean and modern without screaming gamer. You get a solid metal chassis, a tempered glass side panel, and tasteful RGB that you can either customize or completely turn off. Thank you, HP. Build quality feels sturdy, not cheap, and the internal layout is refreshingly organized. Cable management is decent out of the box, airflow paths make sense, and there's room to work inside without scraping your knuckles. It's a PC you won't mind having on your desk, or under it, and that's not always a given with gaming towers. Pros. Excellent real-world performance for gaming and creation. Strong airflow and surprisingly good thermals. Clean aesthetics with customizable RGB. Cons. Pricing can climb quickly with higher-end configs. Some pre-installed software you may want to remove. Final verdict. So, who is the HP Omen 35L actually for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a gamer or creator who wants powerful, reliable performance without the hassle of sourcing parts, building, and troubleshooting, this is an easy recommendation. It feels closer to a custom-built PC than most pre-builts I've tested, and that's saying something. Now, if you're the type who loves building PCs and squeezing every last dollar of value, you can probably get similar performance for less by doing it yourself. And if you're on a tight budget, there are cheaper options out there. But if you want a clean, powerful, well-cooled gaming desktop that just works and still leaves room to upgrade down the line, the Omen 35L absolutely delivers. It's one of HP's most convincing gaming PCs yet.